In this video, I'm going to show you how we can answer and reject calls on a Google Pixel 11. So if someone calls you on your Google Pixel 11 and you happen to be on the home screen, then most likely it is going to look like this. So we will have this little banner where we have two simple buttons, decline and answer, and you just have to tap on these buttons in order to, well, to simply decline the call or reject it, or of course answer it. But if you have any app opened or if you have your phone locked, then most likely you will see a full screen instead. So it's going to look like this. Let's see if we can make it work. Come on, call me please. There we go. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to simply swipe this button over here to the left side if you want to decline the call, or to the right side if you want to answer it. So this is how it looks like. So if I want to answer it, I just have to slide to the right side. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.